I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence to start a monthly income side hustle. Now, the best part about this AI side hustle is it's perfect for beginners, but the powerful thing is you're going to be able to make monthly passive income even if you're still working a 9 to 5 or you're just starting out. Now, lucky for you, I'm going to show you how to set this up in 5 minutes using this AI software that's going to do everything for you. And don't worry, you don't need any marketing or tech experience. And I'm going to show you how to get clients to start paying you to set up this 5-minute system. Now, if you're new here, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and I've coached and mentored over 60,000 people in starting their online affiliate and digital marketing businesses. And I was personally able to quit my 9 to 5 job in March of 2020, and I started my online business in May of 2019. Before that, I was working a corporate job where I was making $80,000 per year. Now, the AI side hustle I'm going to show you today has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, although I do believe that's the best online business to start. The only issue is it does take time to start making money with affiliate marketing. What I'm going to show you today is going to allow you to make money a lot faster. And I've seen people make money within their first week, 2 weeks, even a month using this method that I'm going to show you today. All right, so this is the 3-step method that we're going to be using today. I'm going to walk you through every single part, but essentially this is the high level overview. Step 1, we're going to be contacting local businesses. Step 2, we're going to be using this AI software to set up everything for them. It's only going to take you about 5 minutes, but you're going to look like the superhero, and they're going to pay you anywhere between $400 to $500 per month. And once you get really good, you can charge $1,000 to $2,000 a month for this service. Now, the powerful thing about this method is you can start to stack clients. So in your first month, let's just say you get 1 client paying you $500 a month. That's $500 reoccurring income. And then on month 2, let's just say you get 2 more clients. Well, now you have 3 people paying you $500. That's $1,500 per month. And then it goes on from there. You could really make a lot of money doing this because this is a service that people need. And I'm going to show you how to get it all set up. All right, so I'm going to go right into step 1 of this process, which is contacting local businesses. Now, I'm going to go to Google and type in a local business. Now, the cool thing is this can be any local business. It could be a landscaper, chiropractor, plumber, any type of business that's run locally. Okay, so what you want to do is type in the local business and then the city that you want to target. Now, it doesn't have to be your city. It could be any city that you wish. That's why I'm saying there's so much money that you can make with this. It's going to be impossible for this side hustle to get oversaturated because there's so many local businesses that need this. Okay, so don't worry about the competition and everyone else watching this video. I can guarantee you that you can find clients because there's so many local businesses, so many cities out there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and type this in. We're gonna hit search, and you can see right away there's dozens and dozens and dozens of businesses. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and search through these businesses, and we're gonna click on one of them. But what we want to do is click on their website. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here, and it's gonna pull up their online store, okay, or their website. Now, what we want to look for here is, do they have an automated chat? Okay, so that's the kind of the first thing that we want to target. Okay, so if I move my picture here, I don't see any automated chat here, as you can see. So what we can do is we can contact this local businesses and let them know that we can create an AI conversational bot that's going to answer all questions. So you can see why this is valuable already, because these websites are getting tons and tons of visitors, but they're having to hire people to answer the phone calls, the emails. I'm going to show you how you can plug this into this AI software and create a bot for these local businesses so they don't have to go and hire all these people to call on the phone to answer all these questions. All right, so now I'm going to show you step 2, where I'm going to show you how to use this AI software to create this bot. Okay, this is going to totally blow you away. Let's just say we take this website for an example. We're going to copy the URL. So we're going to copy the website And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the AI software. We're going to be using funnelfreedom.io. Okay, now I'll leave a link down below to Funnel Freedom, and this is going to allow you to do this side hustle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to where it says settings inside of Funnel Freedom on the bottom left. All right, so under settings, you're going to actually scroll down where it says conversation AI. We're going to click on that. Now, here's the cool thing. We can actually create this automated AI bot for these businesses, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do it in literally minutes, okay? This is gonna blow you away. So what we can do is we can answer all text, we can answer Instagram messages and Facebook messages, live chat, all the chat widgets. If there's, you know, those little chat widgets where, you know, people are trying to do the live chat, it could answer all of these, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, I have no idea about this business or, you know, when their open hours are, you know, all that stuff. So what you can do, and let me show you what to do here, is I'm gonna save this and then I'm gonna go to where it says bot training, okay? Inside of here, this is where you can copy the website, okay? Go ahead and paste the website and hit get data, okay? Now it's gonna take a few minutes here. Basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna read the entire website and it's gonna create this bot, okay? And I'm gonna show you how it works in just a bit. Now, there'll be some other things that maybe the bot didn't know. So that's when you can go to the owner and just ask them, what are the most frequent questions that you get? And, you know, maybe you have 5 or 10 questions. You can actually add that here, right? So for example, you know, when are you guys open, right? And then if the owner tells you, well, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, so, you know, you can just simply add that there, okay? So the cool thing is once that's done, once it crawls the data, we could actually go to this bot trial and you can start seeing if this works, right? Hello, when are you open? And there we go. So we're open Monday through Friday. Anything else you need help with? I would like to get landscaping done. So there we go. Got it. We offer full service landscaping in North Texas, covering design, mulching, sod. Want to discuss specifics, right? I would like grass in my backyard. There we go. We can definitely do that. Our team will help you design, plan. So you can see, guys, I completely did this in a matter of minutes using this AI software, okay? Now, here's the cool thing, right? So once this is done, you can actually install this bot on their website, right? And this is where you can start to charge them your services. Now, another thing that you can do, which is super cool, is you can actually go right here where it says configure intents, and you can actually enable their booking appointments. Meaning, let's just say someone is talking to them on the live widget. Well, they can actually schedule an appointment straight away, okay? So they can even get rid of their secretaries, all those people that are doing those calls, and this AI bot is actually gonna book everything for them. So that's why this service is very, very helpful, because you're helping them with a huge issue. Plus, they're saving a lot of money, okay? And all you have to do is really just maintain all of this, right? Which I showed you how to do in just a few minutes, okay? So with the appointment booking, all you do is enable that. It's gonna ask you which calendar. The cool thing is with Funnel Freedom, this AI software, you could actually create a whole calendar. You could create funnels for them, all that good stuff. But I'm just showing you one little tiny piece, which is that AI conversational bot. Now, I hope you see the power of this, and you will notice that people are gonna want to continue paying you every single month, because your job will essentially be to manage the bot, right? Sometimes the bot is not completely trained, so maybe you'll, you know, make sure the bot knows exactly how to answer certain questions. For the most part, I would say it's about 95% trained, but your job will be to kind of watch it, make sure it answers all the questions for your clients. So not completely passive income, but I believe you can make a ton of money, because there's so many businesses that will actually want this. So again, all you have to do is follow those 3 steps. Okay, go find a local business and let them know that you can even set this up for free. As a bonus, you could be like, guys, I'm gonna set up this entire AI bot, and before I even charge you, I wanna make sure that it works for you before we do anything, okay? So you could even show them like a quick video on what you did, and then you use Funnel Freedom, you plug in their website, you can show them exactly how this works. And then step 3, you just get paid, right? You start getting paid to do this for them. Now, a bonus way to make money with this is that business or that company is going to need Funnel Freedom, that software that I showed you on step number 2. Now, that's $97 per month. You're probably going to want it yourself. That way you can go ahead and set this up for yourself. You can create your own website. But for your clients, what you're going to want to do is have them sign up for it, pay the $97, but you can send them an affiliate link to Funnel Freedom, right? So now you're actually getting 40% of all those sales plus what they're paying you. Okay, so that's a really cool, just extra bonus for you. You can make an extra, $40 per month just by having people use that software. Plus they're paying you to manage it. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.